Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the Dell Vostro 5501 and what's inside of it. To access the internals of this device, you need to undo 9 Phillips head screws. The 2 in the back corners are captive, and they slightly lift the panel, so that you can pry your way around the bottom panel, starting from there. Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you. Since there are a lot of similarities between this machine and the Inspiron 5501, the cooling solution is pretty much the same. We got one heat pipe, placed at an angle, and a medium-sized fan. Upgradeability-wise, you got 2 RAM SODIMM slots that support 32 GB of memory in dual channel with a speed of 3200 MHz. Interestingly, the storage options include 2 M.2 slots for PCIe X4 drives. This laptop is offered with 2 battery variants, a 4-cell 53 Wh unit, and a 3-cell 40 Wh package, which is the one we got here. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.